Welcome back to FABB by Design. Next up is the third segment of our Hampton-style bedroom journey. If you're looking for a contemporary twist on this classic style, the Modern Hamptons look is tailor-made for you. Wait, if you missed our two previous videos where we covered the classic Hampton style in episode 1 and the coastal Hampton style in episode 2, you will find the links to those videos in the pinned comment below so you can get all caught up. Now, let's jump in. The Modern Hamptons style is a contemporary take on the classic Hamptons look, blending traditional comfort with modern elegance and minimalism. It integrates sleeker, more updated finishes like polished chrome or matte black accents. It's about creating a space that feels both timelessly chic and effortlessly up-to-date. The Modern Hamptons palette leans towards a more monochromatic scheme compared to its classic counterpart. Think cool neutrals like soft grays, off-whites, and charcoal, mixed with occasional navy or black for depth. This palette is accented with muted metallics like brushed gold or silver for a touch of sophistication. These colors create a tranquil backdrop, ideal for relaxation and unwinding. Pops of color can be introduced through artwork or accessories, but they're often subdued to maintain the room's peaceful vibe. Here are some paint color recommendations to consider. Benjamin Moore Gray Owl, a soft warm gray with a neutral versatile backdrop. It usually has a cooler appearance due to its blue-green undertones. Simply White, a clean soft warm white with slight yellow undertones that creates a fresh and airy feel. Pale Oak, a light warm taupe with warm gray undertones that add depth while maintaining a delicate and breezy aesthetic. Sherwin-Williams, Agreeable Gray, a warm grage, a combination of gray and beige that works well in various lighting conditions, offering a cozy yet modern look. Alabaster, a warm, soft white, this neutral, flexible paint color is ideal for trim or walls for a crisp, clean feel. Sea Salt, a soft, cool green color with blue and gray undertones that brings a subtle hint of coastal color to your space. Farrow and Ball Cornforth White, an understated gray that provides a sophisticated neutrality. It is considered to be neither too cool nor warm with subtle violet undertones. Ammonite, a light delicate gray shade that sits perfectly between warm and cool. It is a fabulous neutral that is ideal for a modern yet inviting atmosphere. Pavilion Gray, a mid-tone gray with a hint of blue undertones that's elegant and contemporary, suitable for accent walls or furniture. Bare Whisper White, a soft and chic, timeless white, ideal for creating a clean, modern look. Ethereal Mood, a subtle light blue providing a touch of color while maintaining a neutral palette. Remember to consider the room's natural lighting when choosing paint colors, as this can significantly affect how the color appears in your space. Sampling paint on the walls before making a final decision is always recommended. Accents in metallics, perhaps rose gold or brushed steel, offers a modern and luxurious flair. When considering accent colors for a Modern Hamptons-style bedroom, it's essential to choose shades that complement the serene and sophisticated aesthetic of the space. Here are some additional accent colors for consideration. Navy Blue, a classic Hamptons color, navy adds depth and a nautical touch to the room without overpowering the modern aesthetic. Charcoal Gray offers a sleek and contemporary feel, perfect for adding sophistication and a touch of drama. Soft Sage Green. This subtle green hue brings a touch of nature indoors and pairs beautifully with the neutral palette of a Modern Hamptons style. Dusty Blue, a muted blue that is soft and calming, perfect for creating a tranquil and relaxing atmosphere. Burnt orange or terracotta, these warm, earthy tones can add a pop of color and warmth to the room, complementing the cooler neutrals. Muted lavender provides a hint of color and creates a soothing and sophisticated ambiance. Cream or beige. For a more subtle approach, these soft neutrals can add depth and interest without straying far from the Modern Hamptons color scheme. Rich teal, a deeper blue-green that can act as a bold accent without overwhelming the space, offering a hint of opulence and depth. When incorporating these accent colors, you can do so through various elements such as throw pillows, artwork, rugs, or small decor items. The key is to maintain balance and harmony in the room's overall color scheme. Quality is key in the Modern Hamptons style. Materials lean toward the sophisticated and should be both luxurious and durable. Think marble tabletops, silk cushions, or even a statement velvet chair. Also, rich natural materials like leather and fine woods are often used, alongside high-quality fabrics such as linen or wool for upholstery and window treatments. Key features in a Modern Hamptons style bedroom blend contemporary design with comfortable upscale elements. These features set the tone for a space that is both chic and relaxing. Here's a detailed look at some of these key features. The layout in a Modern Hamptons bedroom emphasizes simplicity and function. Furniture is arranged to maximize space, light, and comfort. The room should feel open and uncluttered, with each piece of furniture serving a purpose. The bed in a Modern Hamptons bedroom is often a statement piece. A platform bed with a sleek upholstered headboard can serve as the room's focal point. Bedding is luxurious yet simple, often in a monochromatic scheme, with plush pillows and layered fabrics for texture. Materials in the bedroom are a mix of refined and natural elements. This includes hardwood floors, woolen rugs, linen drapes, and cotton or silk bedding. These materials add a touch of organic warmth to the sleek and modern design. Lighting is a crucial feature, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Elegant pendant lights or a contemporary chandelier can add a sense of luxury, while bedside lamps offer practicality and style. Lighting should be architectural. Floor lamps with sharp angles or pendant lights with geometric shapes can make a room look oh so fabulous. Artwork in a Modern Hamptons bedroom should be reflective of personal taste but maintain the overall aesthetic. This might include modern abstract paintings, framed photographs, or sculptural pieces. Personal touches like a carefully chosen vase, a stack of books, or a decorative triad character. Where possible, a Modern Hamptons bedroom should have a connection to the outdoors. Large windows, glass doors, or a private balcony can blur the lines between inside and outside, bringing in natural light and views. Modern convenience is key in a Modern Hamptons bedroom. Integrated technology such as built-in USB ports, smart lighting, and automated window treatments enhance functionality without disrupting the room's clean lines. While less overt than in traditional coastal Hamptons style, subtle nods to the coast, such as a palette inspired by the sea or beach-themed artwork, can be incorporated to maintain that Hamptons feel. In essence, the key features in a Modern Hamptons-style bedroom revolve around creating a space that feels both contemporary and inviting. where luxury is expressed through quality materials and a harmonious design. Opt for sleeker flooring options, like dark stained wood or even polished concrete, to elevate the room's modern aesthetic. Modern Hampton style bedding combines the relaxed, beachy feel of traditional Hamptons decor with a more contemporary, minimalist approach. Here's a brief overview of bedding ideas that encapsulate this style. Stick to a neutral and serene color scheme. Whites, soft grays, and subtle blues are typical choices. These colors create a calming atmosphere conducive to relaxation and tranquility. Choose high-quality fabrics like Egyptian cotton, linen, or silk. These materials not only feel luxurious against the skin, but also add an element of understated elegance to the room. Modern Hamptons style is all about comfortable layering. Use a finely woven duvet or comforter as a base, and create layers with a quilted coverlet. Alongside throw blankets in coordinating colors for texture and warmth. Mix and match different sizes of pillows for a plush, inviting look. Include standard Euro and lumbar pillows in complementary fabrics and textures. If you opt for patterns, keep them simple and understated. Stripes, subtle geometric patterns, or organic prints work well, ensuring they don't overpower the room's serene vibe. Incorporate textural elements like knitted throws, linen pillowcases, or a tufted woolen blanket to add depth and interest to the bedding ensemble. For a hint of color and personality, add accent pillows or a throw in a muted color like soft sage green, dusty blue, or even a pale pink. Accessories are kept to a minimum but are highly curated. A single exquisite bowl on a dresser or a hand-woven designer rug can define the space. Window treatments in a modern Hamptons bedroom often gravitate towards functional but stylish roller shades. Or even smart automated blinds. Wow. In this Hampton-style bedroom series, we've journeyed through a world of elegant sophistication and coastal serenity, haven't we? From the timeless grace of classic Hamptons, the relaxed vibe of coastal Hamptons, and the sleek lines of modern Hamptons. I hope you found tons of inspiration throughout the three-part series for your bedroom retreat. If you want to translate this inspiration into reality, guess what? You can shop the look from each video episode. I've curated some amazing Hampton-style pieces that you can directly incorporate into your home. Check out the links in the description below to shop these looks and make your Hamptons bedroom dream come true. Now, if you found value in today's video, could you do me a tiny favor? Hit that like button, it really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or if there's a particular style you love the most, let me know in the comments below. Your input is like gold to me. Last but not least, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on future videos full of design inspo and expert tips. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, watch this next video for more inspiration and remember to live life fabulously.